Ipinagmamalaki ng Jose Maria College Foundation Incorporated, College of Medicine sa Davao City ang resulta ng Physician Licensure Examination na mas mataas sa national passing rate sa loob ng dalawang magkasunod na taon. Isang tagumpay na ipinagdiwang sa ginanap na Thanksgiving and Victory Dinner. Si Christine Lebico magbabalita.
Muling pinatunayan ng Jose Maria College Foundation Incorporated, College of Medicine ang husay nito sa paghubog ng mga susunod na doktor na bunga ng dekalidad na edukasyon. Ito ay dahil sa naging resulta ng Physician Licensure Examination o PLE noong April 14, 2025 kung saan nakapagtala ang JMCFI College of Medicine ng mas mataas na score sa national passing rate sa kabila ng pagiging isa sa pinakabagong College of Medicine sa Mindanao, partikular sa Davao City.
We all very know that the CUM here in Davao City is one of the youngest College of Medicine. But despite the fact, our track record in the previous two board examination, we are basically above the national passing rate of the Physician Licensure Examination.
Matatanda ang nakakuha ng 73.33% passing rate sa PLE, ang JMCFI College of Medicine, na lampas sa national passing rate nito na 49.70%, bagay na labis na ipinagmamalaki ng institusyon.
We're very happy that I think we're moving forward on the same direction that the plan of Pastor Apollo Quiboloy of creating doctors from Mindanao, creating doctors with a heart, doctors that will always go back to their own community and serve those population that are not, having difficulty in having medical services in their population or in their barangay.
Nagpaabot din ng mensahe sa Reverend Dr. Pastor Apollo C. Quiboloy, ang founding president ng JMCFI, sa mga bagong doktor ng institusyon na ibinahagi ni Dr. Jose Maria Gonzalez, ang school president ng JMCFI.
Our newly licensed doctors. What a victorious moment this is, not only for each one of you, but for the entire Jose Maria College Foundation Incorp. family. You are not just doctors. You are J. Marian doctors, ambassadors of integrity, hope, and healing. As you wear your white coats and carry your stethoscopes, remember that you are also clothed with purpose and anointed with divine favor. Walk humbly, serve selflessly, and practice with compassion. Never forget that behind every patient is a soul needing comfort, a family longing for hope, and a future that your hands may help restore. May the Almighty Father, our greatest healer, bless you always with wisdom, strength, and unwavering conviction. Go forth and make this nation physically, emotionally, and spiritually healthy.
11 mula sa JMCFI ang kinilalang bagong lisensyadong doktor at bilang pagkilala at pagdiriwang sa kanilang husay at katagumpayan, sila ay nagtipon-tipon sa isang testimonial and victory dinner sa Davao City. Dito ay binahagi nila ang kanilang mga karanasan sa pagtahak sa landas ng pagiging isang doktor na kahit mahirap ay masaya silang tinatamasa na nila ngayon ang bunga ng kanilang pagsisikap, disiplina at dedikasyon sa tulong na rin ng kanilang mga profesor at ng institusyon.
So for the 4 months na kumbaga ang review, totally nag-focus talaga without any social media like Facebook or even Netflix or TikTok like that. So dapat disiplina talaga yung ginawa ko doon during the 4 months na yon in order for me to achieve this right now, no, the license yun, gano'n.
JMC has been very supportive from day one. Actually, hindi na kami pinapaproblema ng mga kailangan naming food during the exam. Sila na nagpo-provide. Mga materials namin during the board exam, sila na nagpo-provide. Actually, para kaming inalagaan talaga ng JMC. And I'm very thankful for that.
Since first day pa talaga ng med school, grabe ang Jose Maria College, no? Very supportive sila, unending yung support nila. Even though nag-aas talaga sila sa amin na, okay, what do you need? Anong gusto niyo na subject ang ikuha natin? Kailangan pa na i-improve, no? Yung sa mga subjects namin. So sila talaga nag-initiate sa amin na, sige lang, laban pa rin tayo. So kumbaga, hindi na ito yung the end, no? So kasi ang end is dapat maging license kami.
Actually, maraming natulong ang JMCFI talaga. Aside sa hands-on na doctors, like they always update us if okay lang ba kami emotionally, mentally. They also prepare like classes or review classes for specific concepts na saan kami mahirapan, and it is really a big help talaga.
JMCFI never let me feel that I don't belong. The faculties, the staff, they're always there to teach us, impart their knowledge to us, especially the staff that are so patient whenever we ask them a lot of things. So JMCFI has been there, and big help talaga yung JMCFI po.
Isa rin sa mandato ng JMCFI ang humubog ng mga doktor na hindi lamang mahusay sa larangan ng akademiko, kundi mga doktor na may puso at tunay na malasakit sa kapwa. Isang hangarin at layunin ng founding president na si Pastor Apollo C. Quiboloy sa pagtayo ng isang College of Medicine, at isa si Dr. Patrick Jason Maravilla sa natulungang abutin ito.
My ultimate goal why I become a doctor is to serve, actually. That has been my childhood dream, not just for the money. I want to serve the community and especially my fellow Davaoeños. So JMC helped me achieve that goal.
Ayon pa sa Dean ng JMCFI College of Medicine, pinatunayan lamang ni Pastor Apollo C. Quiboloy na hindi balakid ang kahirapan upang abutin ang pangarap sa larangan ng medisina, dahil bukas umano ang JMCFI sa maraming nangangarap na maging isang doktor.
Hindi naman talaga balakid ang pagiging isang mahirap, because I for one is a byproduct of that. It's a matter of opportunity, creating windows for you, and I think College of Medicine in Jose Maria College is one that is waiting in the realization of your dreams of becoming doctors and healers in the near future. So to Pastor Quiboloy, don't you worry, inaayos na po namin ang Pilipinas, and I think the doctors that we are producing right now is already a testament of your hard work, of your vision, and we will continuously support this vision of yours.
Sa huli ay nagpaabot din ng kanilang mga pasasalamat kay Pastor Quiboloy ang mga bagong doktor ng JMCFI.
To our founding president, Pastor Apollo C. Quiboloy, which he envisioned this one. So, although I'm not part of the religion, but I am very blessed and so thankful to spend my 4 years in medical school here at JMC.
Our founding president, thank you for putting this institution to provide good quality education, especially to Mindanaoans and Davaoeños. So I hope na mag-continue pang yung legacy, as well as more matulungan ang JMC, because it really helps a lot of people and a lot of dreamers talaga.
To our founding president, Reverend Pastor Apollo C. Quiboloy, thank you for building this school, the JMC. the College of Medicine, it serves as our home and help us, mold us, and craft us to be physicians with a heart. Thank you, Pastor.
Bukod sa pagbibigay ng dekalidad na edukasyon, isa rin sa mga programang pangkalusugan ang nais isulong ni Pastor Apollo C. Quiboloy sakali man na mabigyan ng pagkakataon sa Senado at umaasa ang butihing pastor na ang mga bagong doktor ng JMCFI ang magiging katuwang nito sa pangunguna sa adhikaing ito. Para sa Diyos at sa Pilipinas kong mahal, ito si Christine Labico nag-uulat, SMNI News.